Hello guys, so very quickly let's have a revision on electronic configuration. Now come with me. So in our previous video, we actually learned that every atom contains what? A nucleus. And around the nucleus, right, electrons are actually what? Arranged in what? In specific energy levels. And these very energy levels are called the shells. And these very shells are K, L, M, N, O, etc. depending on the atom. Are you with me? Now we didn't stop there. We went on to learn that these very shells are in sublevels, or they contain sublevels, and these very sublevels are simply S, P, D, and what? And F. Are you with me? Now we didn't stop there. We still went on to study that each of these very sublevels contains orbitals in which electrons are filled. Now, the S sublevel from our previous video we learned that it has one orbital. The P sublevel has how many orbitals? Three orbitals. The D sublevel has how many orbitals? Five orbitals. And the F sublevel has how many orbitals? Seven orbitals. In case you are watching this very video and you've not seen my previous video on how to write electronic configuration, please go back and then watch that video and thank me later, all right? Thank you. Now let's move on. So, there is a principle that states that the maximum number of electrons an orbital can carry is 2. Who stated that principle? If you know the answer, drop it in the comment box, all right? Now, let's move on. So, since the maximum number of electrons that an orbital can carry is 2, and then the S subshell has one orbital, so we multiply 1 by 2. So, we have 2 electrons, okay? The P subshell has 3 orbitals. We multiply 3 by 2, so we have 6 electrons. The D subshell, of course, I know you're already guessing 10. Of course, the answer is 10. So 10 electrons, okay? Now, the F subshell, 7 multiplied by 2, or 7 multiplied by 2, 14. Very good. So 14 electrons, all right? And then with this, we're done. Are you following? Any confusion? Feel free to use the comment box. Of course, you can also reach out to me via DM, all right? Now, let's move on. So we will be using this to write the electronic configuration of the element potassium. Potassium symbol is a K. Why? Because the Latin name of potassium is kalium, and of course, the symbol of potassium is gotten from its Latin name. Do you understand? The atomic number of potassium is 19. Okay? And of course, according to Aufbau's principle, electrons fill from low energy toward high energy. Are you following? And the filling order, in the filling order, 1s, so our s will carry 2 electrons, 1s2. After 1s comes 2s, so 2s2. After our 2s comes 2p, and a p can carry 6 electrons, so 2p, 6. Now we've entered 10 electrons, all right? Remaining 9. Now let's continue. So we have after 2p is 3s, and s can carry 2. Okay? Now when you deduct 2 from 9, you have 7. So we now have 3p, p will carry 6. And of course, 1 is left, so we have 4s1. And this is the electronic configuration of potassium. We can still check by counting the powers, okay? So we sum the powers, it will give us the atomic number. So we'll have 2, 2 making 4, 4, 6 making 10, 10, 2 making 12, all right? 12, 6 making 18, 18, 1 making 19. I still remain teacher Luca. And of course, I want to simplify chemistry for everyone who wishes to learn it. So please feel free to reach out, feel free to drop your answers and of course your questions in the comment box, of course via DM if you feel you have any question. Thank you. Bye.